Hello, I'm Carolina and I'm keeping you updated on news. GPT-5 Review, GPT-5 Thinking is a substantial upgrade over all three. Auto is only useful for free tier users. Picking the right model still matters, and more. India-based ride-hailing app, Rapido starts testing its food delivery service. Only in Bengaluru, marking its first serious move to challenge Swiggy and Zomato. Lenovo reports Q1 revenue up 22% YoY to 1828B versus 1724B est, and net profit surged 108% YoY to 505M versus 3727M est, despite challenges from US tariffs. TTP analysis. Google used an internal reorganization to reduce the amount it reported on US lobbying spending, likely by millions. Google disputes the claims. Google plans to spend $9 in Oklahoma over 2 years on cloud and AI infrastructure, including a new data center campus and an expansion of its prior facility. XAI co-founder Igor Babushkin, who led its engineering teams, says he is leaving the company to launch a venture firm that supports AI research and startups. Sources: Perplexity talked with the Browser Co. and Brave about buying them, offering over $1 for Brave. OpenAI also discussed an acquisition with the Browser Co. I'll leave it to John to share the products of the day with you.
Thanks, Carolina. Today's products are Autumn. Autumn helps AI startups price, meter, and control usage with just 3 API calls. Built on Stripe, it manages subscriptions, usage, and access in one place. No webhooks or back-end logic needed. Ideal for early-stage teams building LLM and image apps. Bio calls by cross paths. Link in bio on anabolic steroids. Hop on 1UN calls with your social media followers. Display links. Join the pack and solve problems cooperatively. Earn actively and passively. McPeuse. McPeuse is the open source dev tools and cloud infrastructure to help dev teams quickly build and deploy custom AI agents with MCP servers. Our SDK has over 5,000 GitHub stars, 100K downloads, and is trusted by engineers at NASA, Cisco, NVIDIA, etc.